Auntie. Hello. What are you making? Oh, she's a chef today. So many vegetables. What recipe you are trying? What recipe you are trying? What is this? Pizza. Okay. And where is your salt? Okay. Putting some onion, tomato. Put some olives too. Okay. Put olives on pizza?
Pizza.
Yes. I want them. And put some capsicums? Okay. लगाओ.
Yeah.
Okay. What is this? Show Mama. Capsicum. And where is mushroom? I want mushroom on my pizza. Where it is? Yes. Okay. Put these also in pizza. Mushroom. Okay, 2 mushroom. Put 2 toppings. Okay. Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm. Hmm. Sprinkle some pepper. Hmm. Sprinkle salt. And some pepper too. And some pepper. Okay. Ready? Your pizza is ready? Yay! Prepare some sandwich for grandma. Yes. She's hungry.
Okay.
Okay. Spinach?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And put tomato and broccoli.
Yes.
Yes. Grandma wants broccoli. Okay. Carrot. Some carrot. Okay. And now cheese. Ask her. Yeah. She wants some chili also.
Yes. Chili.
Okay. She wants chili. Put some chili. And cheese also. Put some cheese. Pepper. Okay. Salt. and pepper.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Sauce.
Hmm. Okay, cheese. Okay. We will make some egg roll. Okay. Hmm.
Papa. Papa.
Broccoli. Put some eggs. Okay. 2 eggs. 2 eggs. Beans. French beans. Okay. French beans. Cucumber. Okay. And okay. Chili, carrot, salt, olives. Okay. Okay. Roll. What is this? Thank you. Sandwich. And where is egg roll? Acha, egg roll is for Papa? Okay. Sandwich is for Manchi? Bye. Enjoy your dinner.